So going to go over again how to do the match font tool, use the match font tool in Photoshop. Pretty simple. I've gotten a picture with kind of an unusual font, and I'm going to do the, I'm going to give it the selection. I'm going to use the rectangular tool, usually works well for this. And try to get just the font and not too much more. And then I'm just going to go up to type and go to match font. And it's immediately going to start. It's a little slow, but it's looking around for fonts that it thinks will match. While it's doing that, I'm going to switch to Adobe Creative Cloud and show you where your font library is. If you click the F, if you're in the other part up here, and then I click browse. I like to browse more fonts online. I like that interface way, way better. And then we're back to Photoshop. Here's our list. So if we want this ETC regular, these guys are in the cloud. These are ones. Calder, Grit, Shadow. So if I bounce back to that tab and I type Calder, Grit, Shadow, it should bring that family for me, and they're all here. I can find that one or one close. Calder Shadow, Calder, all those. Calder Dark Grit Shadow. I can add it to, I've already installed it actually previously, so I can add it to or remove it from my Photoshop, and then that's done. There you go. That's how you match fonts and find a font to use in place of the one you saw.